Hey everybody, just when I thought my friend's army truck couldn't look any cooler, I've been working on it all day, but I found the top, so I'll put it on it. Check it out. Oh, mean green, huh? Yeah, now she looks like a little, or a big, little troop transport. All this mess was in the bed. It was a mess. I got it all straightened out though. Top put on. Looks good when it's wet. The colors are real bright, vibrant, but when it's dry, it fades out a little bit. Looks dry, you know, a little. Yeah, these tires, I said they were 48s. They're actually 52 inches tall and 20 inches wide. So there is the special ops. I like that. So there is the mean green with his cover put on the bed. So just looks tough as nails, doesn't it? Pretty cool, huh? Now it's time to go home. I'll see you guys.